Okay, good morning. Saturday morning today. So I just purchased my new Elekit Phono preamp PS-3250. This is op-amp based Phono preamp for and MC. This is quite simple kit, I believe. Small PCB. It uses a DC power supply 5 to 12 volts, and then I think about 30 milliamps at 12 volts and 100 milliamp at 5 volts. It can support 47k cartridge and MC 130 ohms, 40 kilo ohms for 130 ohms for MC. What else? Here, frequency response plus minus 0.5 dB from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Okay, let's just open this kit. Carefully open it. So very nice kit. It's coming with a good kind of a packaging and pretty nice stuff here. So let's open it. Let's remove it. This is what you'll be getting. Will let me move my camera a bit here, a bit lower. Okay. This is what you'll be getting. The front label like this. Then you have the kit itself here, very small. RCA connector. I don't know what is this. I think they changed the capacitor spec from 4 to 10, 16 to 35. This is basically the PCB, pretty small. And you have the components here. It's just standard components, nothing fancy. And inside the PCB, I believe they have pre-soldered. Let me try to remove and open it. Pretty nice packaging as usual, Japan kind of stuff. So yeah, I believe this is a pretty decent kit. The assembly portion has been pre-soldered from the factory. Pretty sure it's gonna be the power supply section. The schematic shown that they did some switching step-up voltage from 5 or 12 volts into higher voltage, and including the positive and negative supply. Because this one is coming from a single supply, so they need to recreate the positive and negative to supply the op-amp. So pretty decent kind of a PCB, not so thick, maybe about 2 millimeters, slightly less. Yeah, about 2 millimeters I think, or 1.7. That's it. And this is the instruction manual. There are components part inside here. As usual, Elekit always show a great manual with great details how to build the kit. Expecting some schematic as well in here, and also some small layout here and there. Nothing really fancy or strange, right? One thing is they are using, I believe, op-amp. What op-amp they are using, right? This one, let me take a look. The op-amp is basically NGM 2068DD. It's a kind of high current op-amp. Old op-amp, nothing really new or fancy here. You can see MC support, gain setting here, and you can connect to 100 or 30 ohm MC cartridge. And basically how you're going to be connecting this small Phono preamp into the system. Turntable here going in with the ground, going out direct to your sound system. You're gonna need to power it up with like a 5 to 12 volt DC here. There's some upgrade using USB-C as well, which is that should be good enough. And then that's pretty simple layout and design. And basically that's it what we have. So for the op-amp, I plan to upgrade the basic NGM 2068 into these Muses. I have a bunch of Muses 05. Let me take some example. So this is the latest op-amp that I purchased, Muses 05. It is SMD. Not even SMD, I think this kind of BGA, I think, or whatever you call it, right? So very small. I might be showing the macro shoot of this op-amp later on the screen. And then in order to use this op-amp, you need to have two, because this is a mono op-amp, right? And in order to convert that into dual op-amp, you need to purchase this kind of upgrade kit. You will be putting two Muses 05 here, then into the PCB, and then eventually we converted it into a stereo or dual op-amp, so it can fit in the standard dual op-amp 8-pin socket. So this is gonna be quite popular upgrade, I believe, for a single op-amp to dual op-amp. And one of my old favorite was AD825, also came in single op-amp, so you will need to use this kind of converter kit in order to use it, right? So yeah, basically this what I'll be trying in next couple of weeks, maybe not so soon, because I have some other project on progress like Elekit TU8900 upgrade, 8550 preamp, and some other stuff which is still ongoing. But anyway, happy to have more kits coming in, and happy to have things to be soldered, and happy DIY guys. So see you again. Thank you.